One very obviously commendable thing about the Yoruba is the knack for details. This is the one thing about us that even non-Yorubas admire. You can't but see it. It is in everything we do. Our attention to details. It is in our language, our dressing, our food, our politics, spirituality, you name it. One Yoruba word, no matter how simple it sounds, can be pregnant with triplets of meanings. A proper breakdown of the words in our language will leave you spellbound. Just look at ile, for example, that very simple word that means a house or a home. Le is a word that means on top, to put something at the top of another thing. So extensively, it can be used to mean to display something, to showcase something, as we have in words like aponle, for example. Aponkon, awale, to wrap something, you dress it well, and then you showcase it as something respectable, something worthy of being dignified. Aponle, that is le there. If I want to say, put this thing on top this, I would say, Bekini ile ori kini yi. So when I say ile, I am basically saying the thing on top. On top of what? On top of the land. Ohun tí a gbé lé orí ilẹ̀. And the ile there means that which is flat. Èyí tó lẹ̀, smooth, flat, without undulation, as opposed to ile, that which stands on top, the way goosebump stands on your body. Now that word le is also found in the word olele, and olele is nǹkan tó lẹ̀, that which is so smooth that it can be a little gummy, it can stick to your teeth, which is again why we call that olele. Mọ́yín mọ́yín, ohun tó máa ń mọ́ èèyàn léyín, that which sticks to your teeth. Mọ́ eyín, mọ́ eyín, mọ́yín mọ́yín. Now this ile now has its own oríkì. Ilé òrìgì akódìṣọ̀rọ̀. Ilẹ̀ òun náà ní oríkì tirẹ̀. Ọ̀gẹ́rẹ́, afọkọ́yẹrí, alápò ire tọ́mọ aráyé ń pè lálápò ìkà, agbódìdí ọmọ mi láìsọ ohun tó ṣe. Should we now go into our proverbs, our idioms? Don't even talk about the names. What about the structure of the language itself? The tonality, the musicality. What would be the fate of Afrobeat, for instance, if Yoruba never existed? More than 70% of the musical artists from Nigeria, for instance, are Yoruba. Because the Yoruba language is itself music. It is a language that obeys the laws of music. We literally have do, re, mi. Let us even break that one too down. Do, re, mi, do. As we have in words like odo or dorikodo. It means down. So when you see the amioun do on a syllable, you know that that syllable is a low-pitched one. What is re? As a word, re simply means to be relaxed. That is why we have a name such as Olatorera. Having honor is enough a reason to be relaxed, to feel pleasant. Honor gives you pleasure. It makes you graceful. Olatorera. When women walk in that their mischievous way that confuse innocent men, we would say, Obìnrin náà ń re ìdí, ó ń re ìdí. She is intentionally walking in such a way that her idi moves gracefully. That is re. So when you see re on a syllable, you know that this one is flat. It is not high, it is not low, but in between. And then we have mi. Mi is even found in the Yoruba word for breath or breathing. Emi. Obviously, it is talking about a movement upwards. That is why the Yoruba word for inspiration is imisi, already signifying that this thing comes from the top. So when you see mi, you know that this syllable is high-pitched. See those details. Now, do we proceed to talk about our unique sense of fashion? You take a look at this. See for yourself. Ewonko. Do we talk about our artworks? See the intricate details. Naturally, we are just a people who pay great attention to details in every damn thing we do. And this paying attention to details we do in the simplest way possible. So the culture, the language, the people, they are both complex and simple at the same time. This is a peculiar people. You can't but see it. There is something about being Yoruba. Everything about the Yoruba showcases evidences of peculiarity. Oh, how jealous would I have been had I not been born a Yoruba man? Àṣà wa, èdè wa, kò sóhun tó dáa tó. Wàá ṣeré.